Every one of these views, the mountains, the coastline, the airports, they come from someone's webcam. So today we're teaming up with our friends at CamStreamer to show you how to integrate your own access camera on windy.com so that you can have your favorite forecast and your favorite webcam view. This is the Axis M2035, but honestly any other access camera will work for this as well. Now, 3 reasons why we really like this camera. It's built for security, it's really quite tough, so it won't quit on you. And the night vision on this camera is genuinely good, so the night images really stay sharp. And lastly, these cameras are built to last. They're built to stream 24/7. And we've got cameras in the Windy webcam gallery that have been live for years and never missed a moment. The setup is actually super simple and we'll divide it in 3 steps. Open the Axis IP utility. Find your camera and install the CamStreamer app. It loads right onto the camera itself. Once it's installed, open it from the camera's admin page and you're inside CamStreamer. You'll be needing a CamStreamer license for this, but there is a free trial for you and it's linked below in the description. Pick your video source. Then scroll down the platform list and find windy.com. You'll be asked to log in, so make sure you already have a windy.com account and then just sign in. Fill your camera details. Now just hit save to register your camera with windy.com and enable to flip it live. Now give it about 30 minutes, which is the time that it takes our servers to get the first image before we put it live. And then there it is, your webcam is live on windy.com. So whatever you're pointing your camera at, a mountain, a marina, your favorite slice of the sky, millions of other Windy users can now see it too. The CamStreamer trial and the windy.com webpage are both linked below in the description. So set up your camera and tag us when you do. See you on the map.